They seem to be too long quite often, so I trim them down a little bit and then they get a bit stiffer. And some of my favourite ones are ones that are really worn out and then they're really hard there, and they're good for pushing down on top of a stone. So that's what mine looks like. It's a bit rough around the edges. I can help it look nicer by just pushing that down onto it. And then the bristles spread out a little bit and they sort of smooth out the metal. CZ, most gemstones are really safe to do this to, but bear in mind pearls or coral, really soft things, really porous things, don't just carelessly push onto them with your polishing tools, but a lot of gemstones are okay to do this to. So I'll be working around it, I'll be pushing down on it, maybe get a newer one that's got longer bristles and go down on it as well. Yeah, I recommend using plenty of polish. I had a little bit of Tripoli somewhere, where's that gone? So that actually looks neat already. I'll do a bit more and I'll show you a close-up again. Right, so I'll magnify it for you. I get the focus. Look how much better that is. Properly smoothed it out. It's almost a perfect circle and we've got a nice rounded edge over the stone now. So yeah, well worth spending a bit of time polishing things with those bristle brushes.